starting to settle in now here through Denver on a Monday. Senior meteorologist Ray Stajic here at the Weather Channel, and for some of us, some freeze warnings and frost advisories. Frost advisory in town, maybe a couple of extra minutes to scrape off the windshield. And as we get into the afternoon, not terrible out there, low to mid-60s from Fort Collins to Steamboat to Aspen, and right into town looking at about 64 degrees. So not a terrible day after our chilly start. But then as the sun goes down, we get into that time of year that with a clear sky and a calm wind, temperatures drop quite a bit. From 57 at 6 to 42 by midnight, 38 by tomorrow morning. Real good looking morning though on Tuesday. Lots of sunshine around, 58 by 11 o'clock.
38 degrees under clear skies. Here's our local Doppler radar.
Milder temperatures on the way here in Denver. Senior meteorologist Ray Stajic here at the Weather Channel on a Monday. The milder air coming in. Notice the mountains though will stay cooler with stray showers. Highs are going to get into the mid-70s by Saturday. Thinking about the weekend already. I mean, this isn't terrible. I mean, the coolest day is actually tomorrow, 67 with a low near 41. Then plenty of low to mid-70s, not just Saturday. It's Wednesday through Friday and gorgeous sunshine. Now, you get into the mountains, it'll be cooler even at night, but in town we'll be in the low to middle part of the 40s.
These are the latest incidents and events in your area. Let's take a look at the latest airport delays. Got big plans Friday night? Here's a look at your forecast. Will the weather get in the way of your Saturday? Let's take a look. And here's how your Sunday's weather is shaping up.
Weather across America on a Monday with senior meteorologist Ray Stajic, and it's about the cold and the snow. Some winter storm warnings for parts of northern Michigan into the UP. Accumulating plowable snow for some. That's right. That's what this blue and pink is up here. Northern Wisconsin and all across the Great Lakes precipitation. But the further north you go, the better chance of snow. And as I said, 6+ inches in some spots. So the lake effect machine with upper level of pressure starting to get going a little earlier now this year. A sign of things to come. We'll see. This low will go east with a front, going to cool us down after some showers in the east. Much needed rainfall in central and south Texas. Florida will see some showers, thunder showers. Most of the rest of the nation fairly dry. So here's what we're thinking in green: the rain, the blues, the snowfall. So as you get up there near Lake Superior and on in through even Lake Michigan, some rain or snow showers. It does look like we'll see some accumulating snow that will have impacts to travel in the UP. And then off toward the east, New York City, Boston, some rain, but shouldn't have a big impact in the Yankee game tonight. Maybe some showers in the vicinity, but I do not see enough rainfall to cancel the game. Out across central and south Florida, some showers, thunder showers. Behind the front, cool, dry weather in Texas. Much needed rainfall, San Antonio. Temperatures coming down after records in Portland and Seattle tied or broken yesterday. And there's the dip in the jet stream, and there's the cold. This is cold for this time of year. Even in northern Minnesota, may not get out of the low 30s in some spots, and that cold spilling across the lakes with the lake effect. Still 60s and some 70s out across the northeast, down across the southeastern U.S., and in the west, some milder air, but not quite as warm as it was yesterday. Across the east, mainly in the 60s, upper 50s, Syracuse, you can see the widely scattered showers around, and those scattered showers will continue to diminish as we head further south, maybe around Raleigh, and then as we get into the afternoon, some showers, thunder showers in Florida, and some rain, and maybe a few thunderstorms in central and south Texas. Otherwise, sunshine, Memphis, Dallas, some sun at about 69 degrees. All right, and we may get some stronger storms, South Texas, Corpus Christi, Brownsville, and maybe into the eastern parts of the Carolinas and near Norfolk and eastern parts of the state of Florida from about Orlando north toward Jacksonville. That's with the front coming in and with some daytime heating this afternoon. So eyes and ears to the sky for the potential of some gusty winds and hail. Further north we go, and there's your rain and snow north in the colder air. Chicago, windy and some rain showers off the lake. It's not in the forecast there, but along the lakefront, we may see these bands continue to push on through, especially in northwest Indiana. Wet snowflake, maybe, but the chill from Bismarck to Lincoln to St. Louis is on. St. Louis, only 49 degrees. Dry in the west, not much to say here. Some temperatures have come down to 67 in Seattle. Sunshine in Phoenix, about 85.